Hey friends, if Bluetooth mouse keeps on disconnecting in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, first of all, change the battery. So this is the main cause. I'm telling you about it. In 90% of the cases, the reason is that the battery is weak. If this doesn't help, then the next solution is as follows. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the Bluetooth and devices tab, and then click on devices. Check if the 2.5G receiver is connected or it is connected directly. If you're connecting through a 2.5G receiver, that will be better. If that doesn't help, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open device manager, expand mice and other pointing devices, right click and update all the mouse drivers. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.